back of your fair notebook, write date, write date, back, at the back. I'm saying at the back. Date, chapter number 8, more about MS PowerPoint, note, NOTES, note. Everyone write down. Date, chapter number 8, more about MS PowerPoint, note, NOTES, note. Written? Your chapter name is More About MS PowerPoint. Fine. This is your chapter name. If you want to speak on the stage, अगर आप स्टेज पर कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, you usually do on the stage. What preparations you will do? Very good, Ranveer. Second option, Abhinav. Very good. Okay, everyone think that second is better. Fine? Sure? Now, you are standing on the stage telling a story with the help of charts, with the help of props. Now, how will you tell a story through computer? First option was that you are standing on the stage and you have to deliver a story. You have to tell a story with the help of props, charts, and your body gestures and all that. Now, if you want to do your presentation on the computer, how will you do it? With the help of software MS PowerPoint. Right? MS PowerPoint, note down, MS PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint is a software. Note everyone note down, MS PowerPoint is a software, which is used to share, SHARE, share your YOUR, your views, ideas on the screen, the help of presentation is having slides. Slides are, what is a slide? Slides are page of the presentation. What is a slide? Slide is a page of the presentation. Got it? Presentation is a part of PowerPoint through which we share our views and ideas. Any doubt? Now, if you are working in MS Word and you save your file with ABC, then you are working in PowerPoint and you save your file again with name ABC. Now, how will you come to know that this is the file of MS Word and this is the file of MS PowerPoint? Just I have given you the example. There is Ayush Rana, there is Ayush Singh. With their name or surname, Unmute yourself and tell me how I am differentiating between Ayush. Surname. So what? Very good, very good. And what is the surname of the file? आपकी फाइल से सरनेम को कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में क्या कहा जाता है? इट इज नोन एज extension. The surname of your file is known as extension. And the extension of PowerPoint is .pptx. If you want to start PowerPoint, अगर आपको PowerPoint को start करना है, how will you do? Start all programs, MS Office, PowerPoint. MS Office, PowerPoint. These are the steps to start the PowerPoint, or you can double click on the desktop and it will be started. Right? Now, what is MS Office? MS Office is parent software of PowerPoint. Parent software क्यों बोला जाता है? Why it is parent software? Because PowerPoint is part of MS Office. Clear? When you start the PowerPoint, a screen will be there. First bar is title bar, minimize, maximize, close button, quick access toolbar, slide outline, work area, status bar. Clear everyone? I will send you the click of the blackboard. Note each and everything in your notes. Then I will send you internal questions based on these notes. Internal questions भेजूंगी based on these notes. Carefully go through the notes. Then open your book and have a look what topics we have done. If anything is not clear, note down your doubt. In our next lecture, first I will clarify your doubt and then we will discuss internal. Got my point?